Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the main motherboard flex on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray, and then follow the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Take out the rear cover and then undo 17 screws securing the mid frame. Once the unscrewing is done, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening between the housing and the mid frame. The ideal place to insert the car pry tool is near the charging port or SIM tray. Insert the tool along the edges and gently work around to disengage the plastic clips securing the mid frame. While pulling out the mid frame, be careful. The fingerprint flex is attached to the mid frame from the left hand side. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid frame from the body. Also, disconnect the two battery connector plugs from the board. Next, take out the not working main flex from the body. First, take out the battery from the body. Loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it from the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. And fold the battery holding tape to the left hand side. Next, disconnect the not working main flex from the logic board and gently pry the cable away from the body. Next, place and secure the new main flex on the body and secure it on the logic board. Next, place the battery holding tape. Next, place the battery on the body and secure it with adhesive. Next, connect the fingerprint plug and then secure both battery plugs into the board. Next, place the mid frame and secure it by adding 17 screws. Also insert the SIM tray. Before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.